Hi, I'm Dr. David Flinchbaugh. It's an honor to be here this evening to work with inventors. We decided that there should be an inventors club that's active here, people who are creative, who want to learn and teach at the same time. I was blessed to be born into a loving, creative, caring family. I never refused to take a challenge because I was a good student and I took every course that I showed any interest in. I took every science course, every mathematics course, and for one of my study periods, I took machine shop. Machine shop opened a whole new world for me because I love to make things. My parents took me to the 1939 World's Fair. There you see a great futuristic view of what our world can be like. I never forgot those things. My parents had a truck roll up with a piano, which they put into our living room. And that piano created a whole new way of communicating. I earned my first real money by competing in amateur hours. I won enough money to buy myself an electric typewriter. These are two of the very important events that happened at an early stage in life. I was nearly classified as legally blind in my youth. Professional counselors told me not to even ever think about going to college. I was born in IBM town. In 1956, I was accepted to do work in IBM. I got very interested in using light to improve our eyesight. I tried to apply for a patent for a laser, and in September of 1960, my application was turned down. I was told by the authorities it was still a solution looking for a problem. And they also insisted that it would never have any economic or social value. The Apollo 11 mission took a crew of men to the moon. I made a laser that was powerful enough to send a beam of light to the moon to communicate with that crew. I was approached by Westinghouse Corporation. They said, "We have a problem. We need a robot that can work in a nuclear reactor setting." It had to be absolutely clean. I ended up making an electric motor inside of a harmonic drive. It was something that had never been done before. To make the UroCycler, a group of urologists in Orlando, Florida, came to meetings of the Inventors Council seeking help with a problem which they had experienced with many patients, as many as 100,000 people who have to wear indwelling urinary catheters were dying from urinary tract infections, which were not easily curable. I came back to them with an electromechanical system which involved a magnetic valve. I had to create a material which is the lowest durometer material ever made by man. The product is safe. We've made hundreds of thousands of units. The people who use them have been able to make their life more normal. My inventing career has been exciting. I really appreciate the honor of being inducted into the Inventors Hall of Fame, and I want to do everything I can to encourage other people to be creative and move forward for the future.